We're seeing, whereas we had a bit of a risk off move, about a week ago, 2 Fridays ago, kind of carried into some volatility last week. I think we're seeing a bit of a reversal in that today, particularly, one trade that you typically don't talk about precious metals, particularly gold going parabolic, but that's exactly what it had done lately.
Yeah.
It's typically more of a safety trade.
Mhm.
And today you're seeing, the precious metals, gold, the gold miners, they're just absolutely getting hammered today. You
Oh
can see this
yeah.
chart of GLD. This is the gold ETF, down almost 6%. GDX, the gold miners ETF, was down over 9% last time I checked.
Which is a
Um,
huge move for that sort of
Massive.
name.
Yeah, it's a massive move. So you're seeing, a risk on move with that. And I think that's even being more confirmed by what's rallying today. So whereas you're seeing the golds of the world, the gold miners, precious metals, things that have, really benefited in the last couple of weeks, they're all getting smoked today. But you're seeing Bitcoin rallying very strongly today. Bitcoin's almost up
Mhm.
3%. See tech is up massively today. You're something else I'm going to talk about next, biotech. The biopharmaceutical area that's rallying, is up big today again also. So, I think you're starting to see a bit of a more shift back to that risk on sentiment. You're seeing volatility fall. The VIX is falling. I think, we were able to shake out some of that concern in the markets that we had last week.
Mhm.
Traders were able to reset and now ready to rally yet again.
Yeah, it seems like whenever you are seeing a surge and a real takeoff in Bitcoin specifically, that tends to be an indicator that people are shifting to risk on.